Located in Barcelona, Spain, at GPAINNOVA, we are specialized in the design and development of machinery for metal finishing since 2013. Our first product, MURUA, is a machine for the electrolytic grinding of gold, silver and brass jewelry, and allowed us to get revenues of €600,000 within the first year of market launch. With our team of dedicated research engineers and business advisors, at GPAINNOVA we have developed the DLyte Dental Series machines. Designed for grinding and polishing titanium and chrome cobalt alloys for the dental industry. The DLyte Dental Series can polish in one step in a completely automated process with fully programmable parameters. With a capacity of 3 to 9 pieces simultaneously, the process is fully automated and does not require any specialized labor. It also enables the industrialization of pieces by removing the differences between them. Our DLyte technology offers a unique polishing process with an innovative non-fluid electrolyte that allows grinding and polishing metals by ion transport using free solid bodies. This polishing action reaches every corner of the piece, processing inner cavities which cannot be accessed mechanically. The process maintains the geometry of the pieces with a minimal removal of material and without affecting the non-conductive parts. Now we introduce the new DLyte 1000D series, designed specifically for high-performance electro-polishing in healthcare, aeronautics, automotive, and industrial fields. GPAINNOVA, the wonder of making headway.